Hello everyone, Sam here from CreativeTradingSystem.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started. Today is Saturday morning, 11:50 a.m. Eastern Time. So market is closed. All right, so this is this is the current chart, by the way. This is the current chart of monthly gold monthly chart, right? This is the one that I made in September that, this is my little bit count, the big bracket here, one, two, and then we are going for three. Out of that, one, two, three. So we are like in three of three, right? And then when it's finished, then we're gonna be supposed to be dropping for wave four. So, and at the same time, and this is the chart that I made, and this is so we were here almost, right? So we went up even further to the upside. This is the current chart right now. This is as of today, which is December 13th December, right? 13th December. Okay, so this is where we are now. There, I also made a weekly chart showing that this is my inner or sub wave count. So again, one, two, and then we are going for wave three of three, and then we will drop for wave four. So, and this chart currently, if you look at it, gold weekly chart, current chart is like this. So we again went up there and then we drop here and then we went up, right? Now on a daily chart, you will see something. And in my last video, I showed all of these charts. So this was my weekly chart here. And let me see, this was gold weekly. What the heck? This is gold weekly and this is gold weekly again. Oh, yeah, same thing. And then this is the daily chart that I made that day saying that somewhere here it may bounce and then go back up to 78% or even higher, a little bit more. But below this, that would be wave five on a 4 hour chart. Let me show you the 4 hour chart I had made that day is this. On the 7th December last weekend, I made this chart that this is like A, B, C correction, and then the C will have five subwaves, which are like one, two, three, and then we were doing wave four at the end of the week before last week, and I was expecting that it might be dropping here to a little bit more here, and then go up for wave five. So what really happened to this chart, and then it's supposed to drop, right? Or a daily chart. So wave after wave finishing wave five. So this is exactly what it did. It came down here, nice and clean. Wave four finish here, ABC, and then it went up straight to ending the wave five, right? So finishing wave five here. So this is the chart I recorded on December 12th, which was yesterday, Friday, and market closes like this. Let me show you the 4 hour chart. First of all, daily chart is like this. This is my current daily chart. So we went up and then we start to come down. And 4 hour chart, you can see clearly that after dropping here, and then it went up, finishing wave five, and then started to drop. Now the question is that are we done? And then is my count good or is going to go up, right? If my count is good, then this will happen. This is A, B, C, ending wave two, one, two, or B, and then we, supposedly be coming down for wave three or C if we stay below these highs, right? So let's see what happens. Yeah, so I strongly think that we're probably gonna come down here because I can clearly, count five waves, one, two, three, ABC, four, five, and then look, big reaction from there to the downside. So it may have follow up just like here. It was going up here, and then all of a sudden, boom, right? So maybe my count is right, and then we're gonna come down, right? So this is what it is. This is what I'm expecting. I will redo my charts and make before charts and post on the Telegram and give it to my subscribers. And if you want those charts, then go on my website and subscribe. Be a part of my group. All right. So this is it for now. Hopefully we will have. Let me see, $1,000. Yeah, and a 500. See beautiful entries that he gave me. See my system, the entry system. Now it is, going up, but that's, it's a long setup, but the market closes, but otherwise it was a beautiful long setup actually. So yeah, If we do not go above, let's say where, well, we don't have a border line. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, right? So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the weekend. And talk to you guys later soon. Maybe I'll make the video about US dollar index later on. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.